back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Naomi and this is The Real NaomiB, where we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. As you can already tell by the title of this video, we are going to do a first impression slash try on haul of this new online brand that I came across called Commense. This online boutique was introduced to me by my best friend, and I saw her with a couple of pieces from Commense, and I was like, girl, where'd you get that? And she's like, Commense, have you never heard about it? I'm like, no, I mean, I think I've saw a couple of Instagram ads floating around. It didn't really catch my attention enough to actually give the brand a try. I bit the bullet and I bought a couple of things which came, I think, a couple of days ago. Girl, let's not get into the shipping, as this package took absolutely forever, but I just wanted to share this video with you. So if you're interested in seeing all the little bits and pieces that I picked up from Commense, keep on watching. So like a savage, we're going to just rip into this bag. I did not open it, so it's going to be a first impressions, how I feel about it. And one thing I am wary about though is sizing, because I am a curvy girl, and one thing about me is I like to size up when it comes to brands that I don't know about. They are not very size inclusive, but over the years I realized that most of these smaller online boutiques they're not very size inclusive. They don't really carry a lot of plus sizes, so I won't be surprised if some of these pieces can't really fit your girl. So the first piece we're going to get into is, I think I know what this one is. This is the piece that I'm a little worried about. However, this did come in an XL. Has this nice pretty detail on the back. I'll also put up a picture of what it looks like on the sides, and also cutaways of how I look in each piece. So this is the open back twist midi dress, and I got it in an XL. The color that I got was the light brown, because I think it does come in other colors. You know, not much. I can't say much about it until I try it on, but I do think it's going to fit quite nicely. I may need to, yeah, it's not lined, so for sure I'm gonna need shapewear, but I do like the ruching details on the side. So the next piece we're gonna get into is the ribbed color seamless zipper shorts unitard slash jumpsuit. I saw this. I can't remember if I saw my best friend in this over Christmas. It may not be this exact one, but I saw her in something quite similar. So I was surprised when I saw it. Oh, I love this. Look at this pretty brown chocolatey color on your girl's melanin. Oh yes, ma'am. And yes, based on the size, yes, it will fit. It may show a little bit of cheek, but the quality on this is way better. It's a nice ribbed and thick fabric. It basically looks like this. This is giving slip me on a cool fall evening and prounce around in the house in it. You know, I'm always here for a nice cute little loungewear. I'm definitely not going outside the house in this. This is just for my wife's eyes. But yeah, it's super cute. It comes with a nice zipper in front, so you can decide how much cleavage you want to show. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. I can see myself taking this on vacation as well, to kind of like lounge around in the hotel, maybe as I do my makeup before I go out to dinner. Or yeah, super cute little loungewear set. I got it in a size XL, and XL is the largest size that they carry on Commense, which is quite disappointing. But I'd say my upper half, it would be a medium to a large, because I do have bigger busts. But my bottom half is definitely large, extra large. So I was very happy that they had it in an extra large, so I picked it up. I think it's gonna look so good on. The next little piece that I also got from Commense was this hair clip. I saw it and I thought it was super cute, so I decided to get it. But that is absolutely beautiful. I think that is so cute. That butterfly, that butterfly clip vibe. Have it like clip my hair up and have it poke through. I think it's a nice pretty design, and I love the colorway that I picked up. They have it under in a bunch of other colors, but I'm more of like a caramely, brownie, mahogany, chestnut type of colorway type of girl. So I picked this up. But let's get into a piece that I am wishing and hoping and praying that it fits. This is the Crochet Eyelet long dress. It is in the color apricot. And I take a lot of vacations. If you know me or you're not new to the channel or any of my social media platforms, you know I take a lot of vacations. And I feel like I'm always in need of a really nice cover up. So I got this one. Oh, can you imagine walking by the pool with this on? Even though my next vacation is not a very tropical one, I do see a tropical beachy vacation in my future. I am manifesting it because, girl, I need it. I need to be on a beach somewhere sipping a cocktail, walking around in a bikini with this cover up on. It is gorgeous. The quality is really, really nice, especially for a cover up. It's not too thin. I love the stitching on it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I know we are coming into the end of summer, but I see myself wearing this in the near future. I don't know where yet, but I am manifesting it. I am manifesting it. And lastly, in our mini Commense haul, we have the V-neck monochrome long dress, and I got it in an XL. And I can already tell by the quality on this dress. This is a dress, okay? It's in a really nice thick knit fabric. Oh, this dress is beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on. You guys, I'm not sure if it's picking up, but do you see the quality on this dress? This is beautiful. This is the best item from the haul because it's a knit. You can definitely wear it in the fall, winter for date night, girls night, and just layer it with like a cute, really nice blazer or coat and scarf, and then just open it up. Pair this with a really nice pair of pumps, or you can wear this on vacation because it is sleeveless and it doesn't feel like it's going to make you too hot, but it also has this slit detail in the back. Girl, so nice. Such best purchase from this haul. Best purchase. If I did not get anything and I only got one thing, it would be this dress. That is the end of our little Commense haul. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Comment down below which piece was your favorite. I have my money on the black and white monochrome dress. That is chef's kiss, but please let me know if you feel the same, and if there was any other piece that you liked or you disliked, please also leave that in the comments. I really do enjoy making these videos for you because I really do enjoy shopping, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video, and until next time, love you, bye.